Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So today we are with a new video lesson about Unity's environment. If you do like our video, please subscribe and press the bell icon for our notifications and do ask your queries in the comments box. Let's get started. Open the Unity engine first. And here we're using Unity 2.3.2, which is the latest version available, and let's see the environment of this version. So first, clicking on learn will provide you with two tabs, that is projects and tutorials. So clicking on projects will give you the default projects available given by the engine itself. You can download any one of the project, and if you want you can check it by running both your mobile and PC. Next to that, tutorials also gives you some default tutorials which can be used to learn how to use the Unity engine. Now community provides you with the latest updates, questions, answers, forums, live help, and also to create groups. Now clicking on installs, you can see what version that you have downloaded, and also if you need latest updated version you can click on the add button to get the latest updated versions available, and you can choose according to your wish. So clicking on next provides you with the documentation, platform, language which you can choose according to your wish, and clicking on done will get downloaded and installed. Now clicking on projects will show you the existing project which you have worked with and created, and along with the Unity version plus the platform which you have used, Android, tvOS, Linux, etc., and the timing along ago, which time you have created, for example 26 minutes ago, 41 minutes ago. Now clicking on new will provide you a box with templates for pre-select settings, that is to create a new project, guys. And you can see that it has templates with 2D, 3D, 3D with extras, HDRP, and lightweight RP. Right now, first let's see what is, if you want to create a project with 2D you can select 2D, and if it is for 3D you can select 3D. Now 3D with extras gives us built-in renderer and post-processing features to create a 3D engine. And next to that, high definition RP configures project settings for 3D apps that use high-end platform that support shader. Next to that, lightweight RP is also known as universal render pipeline. This can be used for customizing graphics and wide platform supports to configure your project. And this is the primary consideration, guys. So next to that, you have to set a name for your project. So we can keep it as sample, and you want to choose the location where you're going to save it. So for that, for example, here we are choosing the folder demo, and you can create the game now. You can click on create. It will take few seconds to get loaded, guys, because the templates and assets has to be set. Okay, now it's open. First we're gonna see hierarchy view. In this main camera, direction light is also provided, plus you can also see the objects you create will be shown here. Using this you can further create an object, and you can set this either as a child or parent of the pre-existing objects according to your wish. Right, for example, here we are doing an example with cube. You can either set it as a child or parent as you wish. You can also create 3D object, 2D object, effects, light, audio, video, UI, camera. Fine. Next to that is the toolbar. In toolbar, first we can see hand tool, move tool, rotate, scale, rect tool, and to move, rotate, or scale objects, in which all three options are available. And then custom editor tool. Next to that is center pivot tool, which is used to bring the pivot to the center point of the object. Okay, and next to that is play, pause, and step. So using the play button will take you to the game view where you can see the working scene, and you can play the objects that you've created. And now clicking on the pause button will just get it paused, and next unchecking it will just get it released. Next to that is collapse accounts, layers, and layout, and 2 by 3 will show you in 2 by 3 option, and 4 split will show you in 4 split. Right, guys? Next, scene view shows you all the objects that we are using in the game. Okay, for example, we can see that cube created here, that is shown over here. In this camera is the complete base. So using this you can test all the objects in the game view, as you can see how it is being tested. Next is that we will see asset store, in which free assets plus paid assets are also available. So you can see that there are so many assets provided by default here, and you can buy if you want. Next to that is inspector view, which provides us all the properties of the object that you have selected. For example, let's select cube and you can see the position and scale of the cube. Next to that, if you see select light, under add component, you can also choose any components. These attributes are provided under this. So this, you can choose physics or any component that you want and you can add it. Next to that is project window. So in project window, it is used for importing assets from this window by dragging and dropping in the hierarchy view, right? So from here you can just drop any object that you have chosen and you can put it in the hierarchy view. Next to that is shortcuts. So shortcut is available in the edit option. As you can see, in that you can also customize according to your wish, and these are mostly used in the workspace. Thanks for watching our video, and stay tuned for further video lessons. And if you like our video, keep supporting us, guys.